This is lot 379 of 420F IT. Alex Lyon and Son, Bushnell, Florida. Rear hydraulics. Forks sell separately. $3,000 hours on this unit. Power shift transmission. Obviously front hydraulics. It's an IT machine. Right out of the rental fleet, it's a good machine. I'll operate it here just a second, but there's nothing wrong with this machine. Again, Bushnell, Florida, October 16th. Alex Lyon and Son auctioneers. We have 3 of these 420F ITs ready for your cleanup crews if you need to do some cleanup as far as the hurricane goes. Good machines. Thank you.